Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make thumbnails for your videos in CapCut. So here you can just add your photo that you want to add into your thumbnail. And after that, here I'm going to change the aspect ratio first into 9 by 16. For example, this is a thumbnail for my TikTok videos. And let's click on the photo, find the remove background, and let's remove the background of the photo. I'm going to just use the auto removal. In here, I'm going to use stroke. I'm going to use the solid color like this. Click on the check icon. Now you can adjust the size of the person in the thumbnail like this. And after that, here you can use any background again. So add plus icon. I'm going to just find the background from a CapCut library. For example, here I'm going to go with background. Let's find the background for my thumbnail. So I'm going to use this gradient as the background. Here I'm going to adjust the size, and then after that click on the photo and make it as overlay. Okay, drag it. So now the photo will be on the background like this. Now you can just add the text as the thumbnail. So go to text and find text. Okay, I'm going to go with cool thumbnails, and here you can choose the style and the color to your liking. Okay, I'm going to change the phone into Montserrat, for example. Click on the check icon. Now just adjust the size. So after this, what you need to do is click on this cover option, and now you can just here click on this tab, select from video, and now we can just click on save. And just like that, the thumbnails will be saved to your gallery and you can use it when you upload the video. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.